Hey guys, it's FanaticGuide, and in today's video, I went and figured, being that Forza Motorsport 7 is updating, that I literally have nothing to do right now. Might as well make a video on how to install a game on an Xbox One while not using Wi-Fi. And I'm only doing this because I'm bored right now. Because Forza Motorsport 7 is installing, and I don't even know what the hell to do right now. And so yeah, let's get started. First, you'll need to insert your disc or whatever game you want to play that your Xbox is not familiar with, or your Xbox has no storage stuff installed on it. So once that's done, you'll go into My Games and Apps, go into your queue. Stuff's already happening in my queue. This is going to be my game. It's already installed. So hit the Xbox button again, go over to settings, and then hit settings, go to network settings, and then hit go offline. And then it'll install off the disk, and I only recommend this if you're installing off a disk. If you're installing off the Microsoft Store, I would recommend using Wi-Fi. And so yeah, I'd also recommend that you use Wi-Fi if your game is updating and fully installed. Once it's fully installed and is updating. And so yeah, please make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you next time.